What if I told you the world's fastest growing cities aren't London, New York, or Tokyo? The real action is happening in places that are reshaping our world right now. We're talking about cities adding millions, building skyscrapers at breakneck speed, and creating economies bigger than countries. From Asia's mega hubs to Africa's rising stars, these cities are exploding with energy and innovation. Today we're counting down the top 5 fastest growing cities on the planet. Urban frontiers changing the face of our world. Let's get into it. Number 5 is Lagos, Nigeria, a city adding the population of a small city every month. With over 21 million people, Lagos is Africa's largest city and a non-stop engine of hustle. It's chaotic, intense, and bursting with innovation, especially in Yabakan Valley, Africa's answer to Silicon Valley. Startups here are solving global problems and attracting billions in investment. But growth brings challenges: legendary traffic, housing shortages, and millions living in informal settlements. Yet, Lagosians are building solutions like new rail lines in Eco-Atlantic City, a metropolis rising from reclaimed ocean. The city is a place of contrasts: wealth beside poverty, tradition beside tech. Lagos is raw, unfiltered, and driven by people building the future with their own hands. It's a city of ambition and resilience. The energy is unmatched, you have to see it to believe it. At number 4 we head to Bangalore, India, the Silicon Valley of India, and a global tech powerhouse. Here, hundreds of thousands work in sprawling tech parks, and the city buzzes with youthful ambition. The average age is just 27, and entrepreneurs are launching startups at lightning speed. But rapid growth strains infrastructure, infamous traffic, water shortages, and pollution. Bangalore is racing to keep up, building new metro lines and expanding into biotech, aerospace, and electric vehicles. Despite the challenges, the city's momentum is unstoppable. It's a magnet for talent and capital, shaping the future of technology. Bangalore is a living experiment in hypergrowth. The question isn't if it will succeed, but how it will manage its explosive success. Number 3 is Shenzhen, China, a city that barely existed 40 years ago. In 1980 it was a fishing village. Now it's a megacity of over 17 million and the hardware capital of the world. Shenzhen is where your smartphone was likely born, and where tech products go from idea to reality in weeks. The Huaqiangbei electronics market is legendary, and the skyline is a forest of super tall skyscrapers. Designed for efficiency, with green spaces and an all-electric bus fleet, Shenzhen feels like a vision of the future. It was China's first special economic zone, a bold experiment that paid off beyond imagination. Built by dreamers and risk-takers, Shenzhen proves you can create a world-class city in a single generation. It's absolutely wild. Number 2 is Dubai, UAE, a city that defies reality. Rising from the desert, Dubai is all about being the biggest, tallest, and most luxurious. Landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah are global icons, and the city is a hub for trade, travel, and culture. Over 200 nationalities call it home, creating a unique cosmopolitan vibe. Dubai constantly reinvents itself, hosting world expos and planning even more ambitious projects. Building paradise in the desert brings challenges, especially sustainability. The city is investing in solar power and green tech to balance its growth. Dubai is a high-stakes bet on the future, and so far it's paying off. Number 1 is Istanbul, Turkey, a city that straddles 2 continents and thousands of years of history. Today, Istanbul's population is exploding past 16 million, transforming it for the 21st century. Here, ancient bazaars and Byzantine walls stand beside gleaming skyscrapers and massive new infrastructure. Istanbul's growth is fueled by its strategic location and booming economy. The city is building one of the world's largest airports and the ambitious Canal Istanbul waterway. But rapid expansion brings pressure, urban sprawl, traffic, and the challenge of preserving priceless heritage. Istanbul is a city in flux where past and future collide spectacularly. It's chaotic, beautiful, and powerful, a true urban crossroads. The ultimate story of growth. So there you have it: Lagos, Bangalore, Shenzhen, Dubai, and Istanbul. These cities are rewriting the rules of what's possible in the 21st century. They're living proof of human ambition and resilience. As more people move to cities, the lessons here will shape our future. Which city surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. For more incredible urban stories, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.